Hi everyone, welcome to Lace Academy's YouTube videos. In this video, I will be taking you through in a very short duration the details about when can we expect NQT results and what are the next steps a student must do if he or she is expecting to crack TCS NQT, and what are the further plans a person can have regarding his or her placements after TCS NQT 2020 in the nearest future. Let us see the first section about TCS NQT results. TCS NQT results will be out on 10th November. So once your results are out on 10th November, you have an algorithm saying whether you crack the exam or not. If you crack the exam, your next step is first of all to prepare well for the next rounds. Prepare well for the further rounds. You need to prepare your resume properly. You need to prepare your technical skills. You need to be prepared with your communications and all the other things. Right. You know what are the next steps of TCS selection, and accordingly you have to hone yourself. And if you have faced a slight problem in your coding in TCS NQT, you need to hone your programming skills also so that you can easily match up to the interviewer's expectations. So prepare well for the further rounds. And what are the things important for the further rounds? First of all, you need to have a nice resume which is properly prepared, fitting to the role that you are applying actually. Resume should be actually applied perfectly applicable and apt to the position you are applying. And also you need to have your programming skills and technical basics very strong. Programming and technical basics should be made strong. If you are already strong, you make it practiced further so that you become stronger. And then your basic communications while taking the interview. So focus on these skills and then crack your other rounds of TCS so that you can actually go into the placement. If your answer is no, I did not crack my TCS NQT, then what? Then you need to be ready for further placements or further tests that will be conducted by other companies. Now, it means if you are not passed in TCS NQT 2020, it means that you are lacking in some skills. It may be in aptitude skills, it may be in programming or coding skills, coding or technical skills. So you need to identify where you actually went wrong, where you were not strong enough, where actually you missed your examination, and basically depending on that section, you need to make yourself stronger. So what is the next placement that can be actually eyed upon by the people who are actually preparing for placements at present? It will be Wipro National Talent Hunt 2021, which may be opening very soon, which may be announcing the entire details very soon. Registrations, you can just go through Wipro website and see about National Talent Hunt 2021, see the eligibility criteria, everything, and then whenever it gets opened, it's your first duty is to apply for it. And only application is not enough, you need to actually get prepared for it. Because your preparation was not proper completely, you actually missed out on your TCS NQT 2020. So you should not now leave any preparation haphazard. So to have that preparation well, you should have a clarity about what is the basic level of aptitude that is tested, basic level of technical that is being tested, and then you should have a proper guidance. Because you have nearly 1 month or more time before Wipro actually conducts its actual exam, use this 1 month properly to get clarity and guidance on the rounds of aptitude as well as technical. A very, very important thing. As far as aptitude, what we can actually help you out is this. We'll be helping you in practicing or preparing well for aptitude, because I can proudly say that we conduct a training program by taking only 50 members per batch. And that too, that batch 50 members will have minimum 90% of success rate. We are the only institution that actually has having more than 85 to 90% success rate in every of our batches. So if anybody wants to prepare well for the next upcoming placements, it may be Wipro, it may be Capgemini, it may be Infosys, anything. Everything needs these three sections. So if you want to really get prepared for them, as well as for the very soon upcoming Wipro NTH, you all can approach us and we'll take care of you for 4 weeks, and this course validity will be there for 6 months. So until 6 months you will be our students. You can actually take the entire course cycle once more by attending the next batch also as your revision, and that makes you reinforced in your concepts. And to register or enroll for this batch, you can actually WhatsApp us on this number. Once you WhatsApp on this number, you will be enabled to answer to attend a sample class. You can attend a sample session online, which will be always live classes. So once you attend a live sample class, if everything is fine, you can just enroll and then you can start attending. And for the first 30 enrollments, we are giving a 30% off straight away in the field. So hope that you prepare well for your upcoming placements. Once you get your results, if you have passed the examination of TCS and QT, that's really good. Congratulations. And then prepare well for your further examination or further rounds. And if you want to prepare further for other placements also, as far as aptitude, all the modules of aptitude is concerned, you can always approach LACE Academy on this number through WhatsApp. So all the best for your TCS upcoming results and other placements which are upcoming in the near future. Thank you. All the best.